Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wix SEO tools for USA local rankings, full guide step by step clearly. To start optimizing your local rankings with Wix SEO tools, first, ensure you have a Wix account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Wix website and sign up. Once logged in, navigate to your website dashboard. Click on Marketing and SEO on the left sidebar. From the drop-down menu, select SEO Tools. You will then see the Wix SEO Wiz option. Click on Get Started to begin the SEO setup process. Enter your business name and your business type when prompted. The Wix SEO Wiz will analyze your website based on the information you provide. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup. Once you finish the setup, you will receive a personalized SEO plan. Next, focus on the site SEO settings. Click on Site Structure in the SEO Tools menu. Here, you can optimize your URLs, page titles, and meta descriptions. Make sure to include local keywords relevant to your business. Now, return to the SEO Tools menu and click on Local SEO. Fill out your business information, including your address, phone number, and business hours. Properly listing your location will help improve your local search visibility. Next, connect your Google My Business account if you haven't already. This integration is essential for local search optimization. Follow the prompts to link your Google account to your Wix website. After completing these steps, review your content for local relevance. Create or optimize pages that cater specifically to your local audience. Now, check the Site Performance section in the SEO Tools. Optimize your site's loading speed and mobile responsiveness. Both factors are crucial for SEO rankings. Once all optimizations are complete, monitor your progress regularly. Use the Analytics tool to track your website's performance. Make adjustments based on the data you see in your Analytics dashboard. Continuously update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.